Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is February 8th, about 1 in the afternoon. Let's take a look at the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. We are fortunate today to have beautiful weather. Additionally, there is some helicopter work going on with one chopper going back and forth and dropping off some equipment. I was very surprised to see this because I had never seen anything like that before in person. You know, TV is different in person. Now this will be considered the western part of the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. Now this faces the Strip, or Las Vegas Boulevard. Now I'm going to make an oddball comment, I think. So this is going to be some stairs and probably a walling, maybe some windows and so on. But the main entrance, to me, looks to be this guy with the nice roof area. Now I think, I'm not a designer, but this should have been the portion that was facing the west, because it would give folks a nice view of the Drew, anyway, and also of Resorts World Las Vegas, right? Now, of course, swing back, not going too fast, and there's the chopper again. Now, of course, you can see it from this angle, but over there are some stairs where the participants will enter and exit, which is also nice, but I really think that this roofing area, I think, would have looked nicer if we were facing the Strip. Just my opinion, okay, my 2 cents, all right, okay. But it's looking pretty good. They are making progress. We have glass, we have scaffolding, and from what I read, where's that guy at? From what I read, the Boring Company is doing pretty well. They've already, I think, dug out a half a mile or so worth of underground stuff, half a mile of underground tunneling, so well done to them. All right, let's keep on going down. Okay, now I move down just a little bit so you can see how the convention center, how it goes straight and then it breaks off to the left as part of the design. That's just interesting, okay. All right. And there are those lovely, these are condos right there, lovely condominiums. And there is the Strap, and of course the Drew. Now you can see they have all this glass installed. So the concert goers, the convention goers will have a view of this empty lot. Well, actually, this empty lot is supposed to become eventually the Majestic Hotel. This is going to be a non-gaming hotel, more like a spa resort type place. So we'll see what happens with that. I forgot the date it's opening. I'll put on the screen right now. All right, let's keep going down. Okay, we moved down a bit. Now I presume this will be the main entrance. There's that chopper again. I guess this is his end point over here. I'm not sure what the equipment is he's bringing over, but there you go. Okay, now I'm presuming this is the main entrance with this big, I guess it'd be like a courtyard area and this high sweeping roof. Interesting. So how you doing? Now, because it's so close, because I'm so close to it, I can't get not too much further from it. You need a wide-angle lens to actually see everything. Straight down there is the convention center. That's a Paradise, I believe. And then it comes in, as you can see, it comes in, all the way to here, to here, and then there's the Strip is down there. All right, you see the sign Ross Dress for Less, Bagel Mania coming soon, and there is Resorts World. This billion-dollar project is due to be finished for CES 2021. So they have less than a year to get this thing up and running, done and dusted. Okay, now we're on Debbie Reynolds Drive, and this is a straight shot of the main entrance to the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. It does look nice, but like I said, it's facing, you know, this. Okay, which is cool. It's cool to look at the street, but you know, come on, right? So zoom in. So this building, I think that's the Hughes office building complex, I believe. And there is the high roller, and there is the Wynn, and the Encore, and Trump Tower, and what is that? That's an office building. Okay, now I do like the glass work of this place, you know, which is nice. You know, it looks very reflective. So pretty cool, yeah. All right, let's keep on walking. All right, so move down closer to Paradise, and you see this is Paradise and Commerce, and this is the bridge they're building over from the old, well, building over to the expansion. Paradise by the Dashboard Light. Great song. All right, anyway, as you can see, things are coming along. Let's zoom out. We got our glass. You see the roof has a nice sweep to it. And then the big bump up. And voila. So now, Elon Musk's boring company. Where does it start? Where does it start? Where does it start? Okay. They don't start here. Okay. So if you look at the this convention center right there, sign, it is. Hang on a second. There's more convention center. The South Hall. Now it's going to be behind, not that way, but that way, on the eastern side of the South Hall. That will be the entrance, I believe, to keep folks from, to save folks some wear and tear on their feet. All right. Looking good. All right, down a little bit more and see what's going on.